Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Computronics. Today we have come with another video of gaming laptop Acer Nitro 5 Core i7 11th generation. We will go for this review Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop. A good gaming laptop that has a powerful and speedy processor, RAM, GPU and an efficient cooling system. The main four features of this laptop. It has main four features: 11th generation octa-core Tiger Lake processor, 16 GB SD RAM, come pre-installed on laptop, 6 GB Nvidia G4 RTX 3060 DDR6 graphic, and the main one is ultra slim bezel Wqhd display. These are the four features. This one is a connector, cable, charger. We can use this connector to install the hard drive, normal hard drive within it, charger. And when we talk about the processor type, that one is Core i7 11th generation 11800H processor, 24 MB cache, 8 cores, and processor speed is 2.3 GHz, turbo boost up to 4.6 GHz, 8 cores, 16 threads. Installed memory is 16 GB memory, which can be upgradable up to 32 GB, 64 GB. The memory slot for the RAM is two memory slots available in this laptop. Top side bezel, USB, HDMI, Type C, ventilation, backside view. And we will talk about the SSD 512 SSD PCIe NVMe. Two SSD can be installed in this laptop and one normal hard drive. When we talk about the graphic card, 6 GB Nvidia GeForce RTX 306 GB graphic card. That one is dedicated graphic card, and screen resolution is 15.6. Wqhd screen resolution is 2560 into 1440. Aspect ratio 16.9, 165 MHz anti-glare display. Bluetooth is 5.2. Weight is approximately 2.3 kg. And USB ports are, when we talk about the USB ports, 3.2 Gen 1 Type A 2 ports, 3.2 Gen 2 Type A 1 port, or 3.2 Gen 2 Type C 8 port. Total number of ports 4 ports. One HDMI, window 11. The price of this laptop is 2,35,000 up to 2,45,000, depend upon the market availability. Thank you for watching the Computronics. Jazakallah khair.